fruit salad at saka with jelly. Diba? Yummy! So, let's eat. Fruit salad, alam niyo yung nilagay ko dyan, guys. Jelly lang at saka watermelon. At saka biscuits at saka gatas na yung anlin. Yummy, yummy. Pabutin ko siya ng 1 minute. Kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo ng fruit salad ko na with biscuits. Yummy.